Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing the risk of nanotechnology. The emphasis on what kind of risks involved in nanotechnologies that need to be considered depends on the perspective of the particular organization. These are business risks involved with marketing of nanotechnology-enabled products, risks related to the protection of intellectual property, and political risk regarding the impact on the economical development of countries and regions. This also involves environmental risk from the release of nanoparticles into the environment, and the last one, the safety risk from nanoparticles for workers and consumers. I have here a question for you. Why do you think it is important to study the risk of nanotechnology? Very good, that is a right answer. Now, let us move on to the implications of nanotechnology on human health and the environment. Nanotechnology offers both benefits and risk. It is important to assess how it affects human health and the environment. A balanced evaluation includes both advantages and potential dangers. Nanotechnology has the potential to bring many benefits, but it also comes with certain risks. While it can help improve human health and protect the environment, it is important to consider both the positive and negative effects of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology can improve human health and environmental safety. It helps address urgent global issues such as clean drinking water, efficient energy conversion, and better energy storage. As nanotechnology advances, production of engineered nanoparticles increases. These free nanoparticles may enter the human body through inhalation, ingestion, and skin contact. As more nanoparticles are produced, they can sometimes be harmful. These tiny particles may enter the human body through breathing, eating, or skin contact, and they can also spread into the environment, which could cause problems if not managed carefully. Nanotechnology in medicine offers new diagnostic possibilities. It provides new ways to monitor patients and treat diseases like cancer. It helps reduce side effects through advanced medical technologies. Nanotechnology introduces advanced tools that improve how diseases are detected. It shows how patients are monitored and how illnesses like cancer are treated with fewer side effects. For the targeted drug delivery, nanoparticles deliver drugs precisely and can cross the blood-brain barrier. Nanoparticles can carry medicine directly to the right cells, even in protected areas like the brain. This allows drugs that previously failed clinical trials to become effective through more accurate delivery. Nanosensors and lab on a chip. It can help early disease detection and continuous monitoring. Nanosensors and lab-on-a-chip devices help detect diseases early and monitor patients with chronic illnesses, providing real-time information about their condition. Increased reactivity of nanoparticles. Nanoparticles become highly reactive. Even gold or platinum can act as catalyst. When materials are turned into nanoparticles, they become more chemically reactive. Even normally inactive materials like gold or platinum can cause chemical reactions in nanoform. Nanoparticles are more toxic than larger particles. They can enter human body easily. Nanoparticles can be inhaled, absorbed through the skin or swallowed. Because of their small size, they can be more harmful than larger particles on the same material. For the effects on the respiratory system, nanoparticles can cause inflammation in the lungs and can travel to other body organs. Inhaled nanoparticles can cause lung inflammation and tissue damage. They may also enter the bloodstream and reach vital organs, causing cardiovascular or other body-wide or body-wide effects. Nanoparticles can also enter our skin, and it can also cause cell damage. If nanoparticles penetrate the skin, they may trigger the production of reactive molecules that damage cells. Now, let us move on to the nanotechnology and the environment. Nanotechnology cleans environment and provides energy solutions like solar cells. Nanotechnology helps clean polluted areas and improve energy efficiency, but it has both benefits and risks for the environment. For the air cleaning and gas detection, it detects toxic gases with sensors. Nanocontact sensors detect heavy metals and radioactive elements. Nanotechnology enables precise detection of harmful gases and pollutants, using advanced sensors that work efficiently at low temperatures. Environmental risk. Limited information on nanomaterial risk, few studies on direct and indirect exposure, and no clear guidelines to quantify effects. Despite benefits, nanomaterials may harm the environment. More research and guidelines are needed to understand their risk. That's all for my discussion and thank you for listening.